Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Coinbase wallet address. First, open your Coinbase app on your mobile device or head to the official website on your computer. Once there, securely log into your account using your email and password or any two-factor authentication you have enabled. After logging in, you'll want to find the Receive option, which is usually prominent on the main dashboard. This is your gateway to finding your unique crypto address. After selecting Receive, you'll need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, if you're expecting Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. If it's Ethereum, choose Ethereum. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address, so selecting the correct one is crucial to avoid losing funds. Always double-check that you've picked the right asset before proceeding to the next step. Once you've selected your cryptocurrency, your unique wallet address will be displayed on the screen. It's a long string of letters and numbers. You'll see an option, usually a button, to easily copy this address to your clipboard. Simply tap or click it. Now, you can paste this exact address into the sending platform or share it directly with the person sending you crypto. It's incredibly important to always verify the wallet address before confirming any transaction. Sending cryptocurrency to an incorrect address can result in permanent loss of your funds, as these transactions are irreversible. Take a moment to double-check every character. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Your security and convenience are our top priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.